Level 1, The Prodigy. The lights hit your face before you understand what they are. You are 9 years old and standing on a stage in Gary, Indiana. Your father stands in the wings, watching. He does not smile. He counts every missed step, every note that lands even slightly late. The audience sees a child. He sees inventory. You hit every mark. You have to. The group does not eat if the show does not land. Your brothers look at you when they forget the choreography. You are the one who keeps time. You are the one who carries the song when the others cannot. After the set, your father pulls you aside. He tells you the performance was adequate. Not good. Adequate. He says you smiled too much during the ballad. He says the audience does not pay to see happiness. They pay to see control. You nod. You do not cry. Crying is not part of the arrangement. You learn that night that your voice is not yours. It is a product, and products do not rest. Level 2, The Headliner. Motown does not negotiate. They present the contract. Your father signs it. You are 11 and you watch the pen move across the page. No one asks what you want. The question does not exist in this room. The money starts coming in. You see none of it. Your father manages the accounts. He tells you the numbers are healthy. He does not show you the statements. You learn to stop asking. On stage you are the lead. Off stage you are still the youngest. Your brothers resent the attention you receive and the control you are given. You do not blame them. You also do not stop. Stopping is not an option. The first time you record a solo track, the engineers treat you like an adult. They do not lower their voices when you enter the booth. You understand that your value has changed. You are no longer just part of the group. You are the asset. You tell yourself this is progress. Level 3, The Global Icon. Thriller changes the math. You are 25 and the numbers no longer make sense to anyone who is not in the room. The label wants more. The public wants more. Your father still wants control. You begin to push back. You hire new managers. You restructure deals. You demand ownership of your masters. The executives smile and explain why that is impossible. You smile back and refuse to leave the table. The smile is no longer the one you used at 9. It is thinner. It works. You buy the Beatles catalog. The purchase is strategic. It is also personal. You understand that songs are not just art. They are leverage. You begin to collect leverage the way other men collect watches. The isolation starts here. Not dramatically. Just enough that you stop explaining yourself to people who cannot protect what you are building.